it over, Cupcake, or else.
Or else what? It's not nice to pick on the citizens of Townsville.
Dude, did she say what I think she said?
You're a man! That'll teach you. Meanie, eat my... Yeah, you... Leave these nice people alone. You want another one? That'll teach you. Hello, officers. The crooks are inside. Have a nice day.
You have a nice day, too.